Hello friends, welcome to the channel Food is God Gift. Today I'm going to show you how to make a banana spring roll. All you need is a chocolate hazelnut spread, peanut butter, few sheet of the spring roll wrap and butter. So any butter is good. So in a spring roll wrap or sheet, add the Nutella, or if you have the chocolate spread it will good, or jam or peanut butter. So just give about 1 tablespoon. I'm adding the ripe banana. I'm wrapping it and I just put a glue. To make a glue is a 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon water. So we're going to make a packet and just press it down, and we all make sure it's stick and tight together. So we're going to repeat it. Now I'm going to show you the peanut butter and banana wrap, the spring roll. Place the peanut butter, spread the peanut butter in the middle, add the banana, and we're going to place that the glue, flour glue, and then all the side, and we're going to press it down each side and make a small pocket and wrap it, and again we put the glue and wrap it. So we're going to repeat this process. Once you repeat and you complete all that sheet available, and add the melted butter and brush it on the top of this banana spring roll, generous amount. Once you brush it properly, it give nice crunchy. So today I'm using air fryer, and I'm going to place it in a 350 Fahrenheit. It's a baking setting, or either air fryer 300 Fahrenheit for 5 to 6 minutes. So arrange it all the spring roll, and it should be take 5 to 7 minutes. And now it's ready. You can see that it's nice golden brown and it's so delicious. And then I'm just dusted some powdered sugar. I have the strawberry slices, and you can enjoy with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, or any ice cream. It go so well, and drizzle some chocolate sauce. It's so heaven. It's you won't believe that banana we're going to throw away, and you can make this yummy dessert no time, friends. It just take under 10 minutes if you have the spring roll wrap. If you don't have the spring roll wrap, you always can use the filo sheet, and you can have the 2 layer, and then you can make it nicely. So give it a try. So crunchy. Yes, heard that the crunchiness. The banana is mushy and soft. The chocolate hazelnut is just melt, and hot and cold. This is so delicious, amazing dessert. You can see the banana is just melted, and it's so delicious, friend. You can eat all of this no time, and just so comforting cold and hot dessert. I hope you enjoy another recipe from our channel. Thank you for watching.